In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image carousel in Squarespace. This is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your website and showcase multiple images in a neat, interactive format. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to accomplish this task. First, head on over to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're there and logged into your Squarespace account, you'll be able to navigate through the website options. Look for the section labeled Pages and give it a click. This area is where you can manage the structure of your website, creating new pages or modifying existing ones. When you're in the Pages section, you're going to want to add a new page. So go ahead and click on that Add button. Now select Blank Page. This will serve as a canvas for you to create your image carousel without any pre-existing conditions or elements that might interfere with your design. After you've selected a blank page, it's time to give your new page a name. Think of something that clearly describes the content or the purpose of the page. This will not only help you organize your site's structure, but also improve your website's navigation for users. Once you've named your page, it's time to move on to the design aspect. Click on Edit to enter the page editor. This is where the magic happens. You're going to click on Add Section to add a new part to your page. This is vital as each section can hold different types of content, and this one will host your image carousel. When the Add Section panel appears, search for the Images option and give it a click. From the available options, choose the Image Carousel layout. This setting is specifically designed to handle multiple images in a slideshow format, perfect for gallery displays. With the carousel in place, click on Edit Gallery to start adding images to your carousel. You'll notice an Add an Image button. Click on that to upload images from your device to your Squarespace site. After clicking Upload Images, select the pictures you want to feature in your carousel. Remember, compelling and high-quality images can make a big difference in how users perceive your site. If at any point you want to remove an image from your gallery, simply click on the image and select Delete. If you're prompted to confirm this action, click Confirm. This ensures that only the images you want are displayed on the carousel. Once you have arranged your images to your satisfaction, the final step is crucial: saving your work. Hit the Save button to ensure that all your settings and images are preserved for your visitors to see. And there you have it. You've successfully created an image carousel on your Squarespace site. Enjoy showcasing your images in this dynamic and modern format.